Hey, I'm Alex, a scale computing systems engineer. Today I'm going to show you how to rack mount our HE500 tower. Now the rack kit is optional, but does consist of the shelf, the rails, and clamps. To get started, I'm going to take my rail kit. The back is a simple pin system, so we'll just pop this into place here. The front is actually a tab system, so insert the pins and then lock it down with that tab. That tab also has its own lock, so make sure that's secure. We're going to do the same here. We'll line up the pins, push them back. Again, using a tab here, we'll lift up that lock to move the tab out. Insert the pins, push that tab back, and make sure it's all locked together. So once these are in place, I'm going to go ahead and get my tray ready. Now I probably could do this by myself, but it's a lot easier with an extra set of hands. So we're just going to line up the back pin with the rail kit. And once that back one is lined up, we're going to drop the rest into place. That front pin has a clip that's going to lock it there. So once that's in place, we do include these two clamps. We're only going to need the two. Just make sure that this locks into place on the back. So once these are locked into place here, we're going to go ahead and grab the node. So we're going to very carefully tilt it on its side and lift it into place here. There we go. If your node does have feet on it, you might need to remove these to fit it in the rack. Once that's complete, we'll move this blue tab up in the center to remove the safety catch, and we'll push it back. So to unrack the node, we're going to pull this out. We're going to grab the node and very carefully set it down. There we go. And that's it. So that's how you rack and unrack the HE500 tower. If you have any questions or if you need any help, feel free to contact Scale Care Support.